morning, traders. Good morning, everyone. Here's Alpha Fibonacci chart in front of you. Here's the events of this historical week. Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone had been respected since March 13th. Let me remind you, in case you missed yesterday's webinar, this is Dow in front of you. This is ultimate low on Dow. This is crucial resistance identified week in advance. If I convert this chart right now to 5-minute chart, what do you see on Dow? Not to take you very far off. Yesterday Dow closed minus 1,300 points. Do you see it on this chart, yes or no? This is Dow from 12 EST, 9:30, 10 p.m., 1 p.m. PST. Dow skyrocketed 1,300 points. On the news, Dow closed minus 1,300 points. What is the lesson? Lesson is trade the chart, not the noise. If I go back to 15-minute chart, what do you see on Dow? Anyone surprised? Should not be. This is Dow for the last week. What do you see on this chart? Dow skyrocketing from Alpha Fibonacci bullish trend inception, 2,500 points, post-hold, March 13th. Another one, post-hold, Dow skyrocketing another 1,000 points. Correct? Every time from Alpha Fibonacci support identified in advance. In bearish markets, we will have vicious bullish rallies. So to remind you the event of yesterday. On the news, Dow closed minus 1,300 points. On the chart, Dow skyrocketing. Who is buying? Top hedge fund managers in US. If you listened to Aikman yesterday morning, buying on the way down. Ouch. If there is something else happening on this chart, of course, we are at institutional support on Dow, identified weeks in advance. This is where Dow is now. If I would show you what I said about Dow weeks in advance, this is Dow. Let me remind you how Dow looked like weeks ago. And the reason method traded on Wall Street. This is Dow. This is Dow at critical support, traders. Do you remember this level? The end of the minor trend in front of you. If you're looking to your left, what do you see on Dow? 2008. 2008 walk in the park compared to the structure, if you know Alpha Fibonacci method. 22,000 was crucial. And as I said, if this level is down, this is where we're heading to next. And that's exactly what played out. Today, we are watching crucial support. Intelligent trader understands how critical this level is. And as I identify everything in advance, months and years in advance, on institutional charts when I work with hedge funds. This is what to expect next. One step at a time, traders. This morning, intelligent trader understands how crucial this support is. This support is out, this is next. This support is out, this is next. This morning, day trader at institutional support. Intelligent trader never ever shorting into. Intelligent trader knows from ultimate support is the place to monitor for long, to look to buy from ultimate institutional bottom. As played out in European session. How many points did Dow skyrocketed from this level? Tell me. How many? From 1880 to 2000. 1,200 points. How many points Dow skyrocketed yesterday at the close? Again, 1,300 points. On the news, Dow is out. On the chart, Dow is rallying. Right now, this is the area intelligent trader monitors. Not being stressed out, not being panicking. This is the reason margins been increased 5-fold. Shorting into institutional support, never a recipe for success, never. Monitoring ultimate bottom is what intelligent trader does. Here is 1-minute chart. While we're waiting on Dow, here's S&P traders. Again, this is Alpha Fibonacci bullish trend inception, market oversold. Market crashed from Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone, ultimate top. We've been at ultimate bottom where S&P been rallying from 150 points plus since US session open. March 13th, March 15th, 80-60 points, support, support, support. Yesterday again, 2 hours before market open. How many points did S&P rally from key support to key resistance? Let's take a look. From 2300 to 2444, roughly 150 points, correct? How many points is S&P down on the news? Negative -30, correct? And again, let's take a look on 5-minute chart S&P. Anyone seeing the crash? What happens to poor shorts? What happens to those who blocking their vision with indicators? Ouch. Trade the price, not the noise. Stop being reactive, negative, panicky trader. Alpha Fibonacci support is present. Never ever short into. And if you understand that this is institutional support, this is what I projected many months in advance. This support is out, this is next. This support is out, this is next. This support is out, this is next. 2009 bottom, next. But as an intelligent trader who understands the power of support and resistance, never trade against institutions. Buy from support, short from resistance. That will never, ever end. And if you're looking on monthly chart, this is what I said for months. 08, walk in the park. Compare to sell-off right now. Black and white. However, again, institutional support is present. Never short into. Short from resistance. Remember, in bearish markets, we will have vicious, bullish rallies. So when I listen to top hedge fund managers buying the market on the way down, why in the world, how can they do that? They're using someone else's money. They don't use all of their money to buy the markets. So please be a proactive trader and investor. So please turn off the noise. Please do not speculate in this market. If you can trade pure price, you would know extremely well. It is not a brilliant idea to buy on the way down. Hedge fund managers trading someone else's money. You are trading your own account. Look on monthly chart and remember, we've never seen anything like it. 08, what a walk in a park. Compare to what's playing out now. Intelligent trader well prepared. Intelligent investor strategizing carefully, not speculating in these markets. 2300 crucial number on S&P. Next. So this is 2008 chart, traders. 2008 price respected Alpha Fibonacci support 1450 number until it did not, until it finally broke through this level. Market in free fall. 2014, 15, 16 bearish correction. Price respecting 1800 support. Price never crashes through. Price reaches Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone identified months and years in advance. 2800 level. Here comes bearish correction 2018. 2018 crucial Alpha Fibonacci support respected. Crucial support 2300 number in front of you, where price skyrocketed in December 2019. This was exact same critical Alpha Fibonacci resistance identified years in advance. Take a look. 2016 price rallying from ultimate Alpha Fibonacci bottom, correct? Bullish trend inception 1800 number. Ultimate low on weekly correlates with institutional support on monthly 1800 number. Critical support, correct? So when the price reaches next level after the election, intelligent trader not surprised. And when the price heading higher, it's expected. 2300 is a critical level. And that's where buyers stepped in from. In 2018, December again. Ultimate resistance becomes ultimate support, time and time again. This is exact same place where we are this morning, traders. Identical on S&P and Dow. Do you understand that? Intelligent trader never shorting near. Intelligent trader understands the power of this support. This is critical 2300 number, where second day in a row buyers been stepping in from. We're extremely aware we are mid-trend to the downside. We're extremely aware that it would take a miracle for the price not to crash through this support. We're extremely aware it's temporary support. But the fact that it's institutional support, intelligent trader never ever shorting near. And that's the reason S&P skyrocketed from 2260 level until 2460 area, 200 points. On the news, S&P is negative. On the chart, S&P is rallying. Yes, we are in exact same place. No matter what chart you trade, intelligent trader well prepared. That's it. So if you're trading with institutions and not against them, if you identify critical institutional levels days and hours in advance, you are not stressed out. You have opportunity to buy ultimate bottom, as been playing out every single day. Here we go, traders. Long S&P, as I warned you, we're on the institutional support. I convert every single trade to the trading room to a different chart. Multiple trades playing out right now. Did we know or did we know? This is institutional bottom. We knew it days and weeks in advance. All of my charts are rallying. So if I would bring up to you all the other charts, anyone surprised should not be. We knew weeks in advance this is institutional bottom. Do we agree? Yes? How many trades are present currently on S&P and Dow? Multiple. Boom. It's been playing out every single morning. It's a flawless market for intelligent trader. Your work day every single morning, a lot less than 30 minutes. Right now, intelligent trader moving the stop outside of break even, taking profits off the table. You do not need many trades. What you need is quality. What you need to know is institutional top and institutional bottom. And that's what intelligent, brilliant traders have done. Here is Dow, and we will see what students have done. Boom. How many points is Dow up? My goodness, is it possible? This is what Dow have done. Moved a little too fast for the trading room. Being follower in this market conditions is not an option. Dow from 1900 until, my goodness, flawless, 340 points in what? 2 minutes. Shock or not? Everyone clear on this? Brilliant. Marco in Italy, third week with us, 10 points S&P. Gary just started, 96 points Dow, sim only, brilliant. Gary practicing. Manu, private mentoring, incredible student from Asia, 10 points S&P, genius. Jennifer is a gift. Her husband graduated from the course, brought Jennifer to the course. Jennifer in Canada, Jay in Hong Kong. Incredible. Stunning work, everyone. Wasim, breathtaking. Les, Canada. Boom. This is standard. This is typical. This is why Alpha Fibonacci Traders become my friends for life. In these historical market conditions, every single system, every single trader will be tested. My system had been tested since 2011. Since 2011, traders all over the world trading Alpha Fibonacci system. So as you can see, trail placed in perfect place, correct? Perfect. Not too close, not too far. Everyone seeing this? Proper stop, proper trail is crucial. Speculation is not an option. And that's what intelligent trader does. And that's what played out this entire week. Success rate on shorts into Alpha Fibonacci support less than 20%. This is what intelligent trader been doing this entire week on all the instruments. As institutions been stepping in with vengeance from institutional support on all futures, on multiple stocks. This is a lesson. If you know where institutional support is, you never ever short near. All identified far in advance, never after the fact. And that's the power of this system, no matter what you trade. David killing it. Boom. 92 points. Dow, S&P 1175. So at this point, it's especially important to take a look on long-term positions, correct? So Jeff was my mentoring student a couple of years ago. Jeff loves to ski. Jeff recognizing that day trading not his cup of tea. So months ago, he stopped by in the trading room, and this is what he shared. He shared that he's been long Apple, Costco, SHW, big winners. Bought Costco 2018, December 27th. Apple, Costco 85, Apple 40%, Microsoft 120. He says, I'm 76, was bike racer, love skiing. Day trading, not his cup of tea. So how is Jeff doing everything? Boom. This is Jeff now. Brilliant. I sold everything at the end of February. Up to that, I was slowly taking profits as the markets rose. I do have about 20% in equities. Boom. Thank you, David. Thank you, everyone, for updating me. S&P another 16 points, oil 21 ticks. Brilliant. Spectacular community of positive strategic traders. Here's hedge fund manager with whom I've been working for the last 5 years, Joe. Yesterday. Joe says, yesterday I've been short gold, right of your levels. Took profit in some, but have some left. Hedge fund manager complains it's very hard to trade large positions. As Joe says, your day traders are lucky in this market. Spectacular day trading market. As Joe says, we are short TLT and long UUP, our main positions. Bonds. As Joe says, he's been my client for at least 5 years. As Joe says, prior, he had been long on gold since 2018. He says, let's just say it, we killed it on gold on the way up and oil on the way down. As he says, level on oil was perfect when you said if we broke it, then oil would crash. Boom. I do not work only with retail traders. I work with hedge fund managers globally. So it doesn't matter if you have a few $1,000 account. It doesn't matter if you're trading 7-8 figure account. What you trade, absolutely up to you. Method been proven by traders all over the world. In these historical markets, market presenting to you phenomenal opportunities, especially if you are trading with institutions and not against them. So if you missed yesterday, this was yesterday, 15 minutes after market open. Jay, third day in the course, he says, I've been up 9 points, out the decision point 1, less 6 points. David, another 7 quarter, Dow 32 points. Historical week, Marco complaining his trail was too close, S&P 1.5, Jennifer 3. All of this within first 30 minutes of market open. This is March 16th. This is husband and wife supporting each other. This is the most amazing thing ever. Marco accomplished his daily goal by 11 a.m. PST and went on sim. 23 points. Emmanuel 10 points, Jennifer 4 points. Jennifer complimenting me, Marco is joking, it's a contest. M and Jen, LOL. Positive energy, positive support with Alpha Fibonacci Traders. Here's another event with Jean, option trader, yesterday morning. Jean is sharing QQQ 6 points by 8, S&P 50 points. Short butterfly option since yesterday, since day before. And as Jean says, you folks are doing very well with these market conditions. And as Jean says, please remember, without Alla Fibs allowing each of us to do current analysis, only can we produce these types of trades, being able to always be on the right side of the market. And Gary is supporting Jean. This is the power of Alpha Fibonacci system and Alpha Fibonacci Traders. Every day during historical crisis. Thousands and thousands emails and posts from students all over the world who understand very important concept of institutional levels of trading with institutions and not against them. There is no surprise here, traders. So Jean says, well done, you folks are killing it today again. You want to become Alpha Fibonacci trader? I look forward to working with you. Choose from 4 options available to you. Options available with lifetime license of software and without software. With 3 months of group classes, live classes, video library, and 6 months private mentoring. Because of the historical event, we're offering the biggest discount ever, $2,000 off. Only few spaces left. So please review the information on the website. View what students do all over the world. Because if these students can do it, so can you. With Alpha Fibonacci system, from future stocks to Forex, to any instrument you choose, choice is yours. Listen to podcasts and view what's possible all over the world. Any questions? Do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone and call, but first review the information. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. This morning was a stunning lesson on trading with institutions and not against them, once again. As both S&P and Dow skyrocketing, still from Alpha Fibonacci support, as played out yesterday, despite on the news market crashing, on the chart market rallying. This support been in a play for the last 20 plus hours.